right, here's the Explorer. It's not a perfect truck. It is a 94, so it's close to 26, 27 years old. So it's not perfect. The body's in great shape, just the clear coat starting to peel right here. But overall, the body is in really good shape. Believe it or not, guys, you don't see these trucks around anymore. You don't see them on the streets that often. So to me, it's a little rare Explorer. You know, I try to find some for sale. I just didn't find any for sale. So I think I got a great deal on it. I drove it home. It drove great. So with a nice cleaning and tune up, I think it's gonna be a great truck. So here's the engine. It's a 4.0 liter engine, V6. This is not your all-wheel drive. It's just a two-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive. It's not the four-wheel drive, so I'm okay with that. I'm okay with this. Right here, it's missing the trim piece right there, but I do have it. It's in the back of the truck. I'll get to that later. Have it installed, and besides that, everything is complete on this truck. Let's take a look at the inside. It's a two-door truck. Here's the interior. This truck right here is a one owner truck. The lady owned it ever since. She got it brand new in 94. We're in 2020, so finally decided to let it go. Said it's not perfect, but I'll plan on fixing it up. I enjoy fixer-uppers. I like to see the before and after. Here's the before, and as time goes on, you'll see the after on this Explorer. It's even got the original floor mats, so she really kept it nice, in good conditions. So here's just a little update on the truck. It says it's not perfect by no means. Up here in the ceiling, that's the worst part of the truck right here. The headliner, it's all messed up, but no problem. I'm okay with that. I've been through this before, and I've repaired them, installed brand new one, or just refurbish this right here. I'll see what I do, but that does not concern me. As long as the truck's in good running conditions, that's the least of my concerns right there. What do you expect from a 26-year-old car? I mean, it could be worse. So there it is, guys, the 94 Explorer 5-speed. I'm a big fan of manual cars. Most of my cars have been manual, and once again, another manual right there. They don't make them no more. I just like them. They're more fun. And yep, there it is, guys. Hope you like this little quick tour of my 94 Ford Explorer. So feel free to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of this truck right here. All right, guys, thanks so much. Until next time, your friend Rafael. Peace.